Okay, today is, what is today? 7 August 2018, okay? And today we have one of these here, okay? You see that there? That's the model number, and it looks like this. You notice we hit that. There's no batteries in this model. And that's what I'm going to show you here. So I'm going to put this down here. I'm going to plug it in with a power plug, but I'm going to take it off the tripod and let you hear it. That's the whole point here. I can't do that. Alright, so here we go. Okay, so I'm going to set this on the ground. I'm going to flip it around. I'm going to put the camera right up here. Alright, let's see here. Let's just look at that while I get the cord. Okay, the cord, I'm going to plug it in, okay? Gotta be real quiet. You hear it? Let me open up the battery compartment. Alright, and let me unplug it, okay? There, it's unplugged. Here's the plug, alright? Plug it back in. Can you hear that ever so faintly? Try it up that close. Unplug it and plug it in. So as you can hear, as I can show you here, it is plugged in but not working. Okay, so it's doing that, but nothing works. That works. Nothing, nothing, nothing. And of course the tape doesn't come out. So that's all I'm going to let you know there what this does here, okay? I'm going to make sure you can hear that motor running before I upload this, okay? So good day, bye, and hopefully I'll get this tape out and make it work again. Bye-bye.